working on back up today. So what we're going to be using are some treats. I've got a combination of his favorite treats and some kibble in here. I've got a leash and I'm going to work against the wall. The other thing that you want your dog to be proficient at is a stand behavior. And if you're not quite there, then just go to Dog Training 101 and work on the sit, stand, down routine until you have a really solid stand. Yes, good job. Very nice. So what we're going to do is I have food in my hand. So I want to take maybe a larger handful than normal. So anywhere from like 5 to 10 pieces in your hand. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to encourage the stand. Yes. Give him just a couple pieces. Okay. Leave it. Yes. Good. Leave it. Okay. I still have a couple pieces left in my hand. And now I'm going to push at the nose. Yes. Very nice. In a moving backwards position. Yes. Good. So he was already in the stand. So I just have food in my hand, moving backwards. Yes. You can see I'm facing him right now. Yes, good job, sir. And I'm also not trying to get him to go all the way across the room. Yes, just a couple steps backwards, as you can see. Marking and rewarding as soon as I see those steps backwards. So, yes, he loves the stand to sit down game. Yes, good down. Good job, sir. Stand. Yes. Still have a couple treats in my hand, pushing backwards. Yes, very nice. And marking when his legs move in that backward position. Yes, so you also notice that my hand is at nose level, okay? If you were to have your hand up here, see how he just sits. Stand. Stand. Okay, you see how all of that, my hand is too far above his head, so he keeps offering different behaviors, right? So that's not where you want your hand. You want it nose level, or you're even a little bit below nose level. Yes, good job. Pushing backwards, he sat, go forward. Yes, mark and reward for standing, and then push backwards. Yes, good job, sir. So I've got my hand closed. When it's at his nose level, it's closed there. Pushing. Yes, and then it opens up. Okay? Back up. Yes, good job. And you see he's also kind of a little crooked. So when they go crooked like that, you go forward. Yes, and try again. Okay? The goal, the reason that we have this wall here is so that he goes straight in the backward position. And you're kind of blocking him on this side, and the wall is blocking him on this side, so it encourages him to remain straight. But let's say he goes a little crooked like that. We go forward, try again. Yes, and then mark and reward when he goes straight back. And now be conscious about, leave it, good. Pushing backwards. There are a lot of ways to train this back up. Yes, good job. Behavior, good, leave it. So if this doesn't work for you, there's, again, alternative methods. So when you push backwards, yes, if your dog's just not budging, they're not scooching back, and it's almost like they're kind of like you're pushing into their nose and their head's kind of pulling up a little bit. Yes, good job. Or it just doesn't look comfortable. They're just not grasping it. Either go back to stand. Yes, 101. Stand training 101. And make sure that they're in a standing position before you try to get them to go backwards. Okay? Because otherwise, if they're in that sit and you push on their nose, they don't quite get it. Yes. Okay. Good job. Very nice. Is that fun? Back up. Yes. Good job. Very nice. Sit. Good. Stand. Yes. Back up. Yes. Good job, sir. Yes. Good job, sir. Very nice. Free dog. Eat the pieces.